Hey guys, welcome back to Kimara Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey! So I am back. It's long overdue. I think it's like 2 days. I know that CNCO came up with a new song called The Heria Tudo. The Heria Tudo. I think it means I give all, I give it my all, something like that. I've said it over and over. I took Spanish just to get it out of high school, and I did. But I want to let you guys know my CD came earlier than expected. I know the album release date was the 5th, and I got this on yesterday. I got this yesterday. No, not yesterday. It actually was delivered to me on the 5th. They told me I was gonna get it next week, but you know, Amazon Prime never disappoints. So I got it on the 5th. So I'm so excited. Yay! So I will be listening to CNCO new music video, and I hope you guys like it.
He intentado casi todo para convencerte.
Okay.
Mientras el mundo se derrumba todo aquí a mis pies. Yeah. Mientras aprendo de esta soledad que desconozco.
Come on, Joel.
Me vuelvo a preguntar quizás si sobreviví. Porque sin ti me queda la conciencia helada y vacía. Porque sin ti me he dado cuenta muy que no renaciré. Yeah. Porque ya he ido más allá del límite de la desolación.
Okay, Zabdio.
Mi cuerpo, mi mente y mi alma ya no tienen conexión. Ay, yo te juro que lo dejaría todo porque te quedaras. Me creo mi pasado, mi religión. Después de todo está rompiendo nuestro lazo y dejando un pedazo de este corazón. Mi carta me la dejaría. Mi nombre, mi fuerza, hasta mi propia vida.
Okay. Yeah. It feel like I'm there. Come on, Eric. Richard.
Cuando definitivamente sé que ahora te vas. Y aunque no la pueda cambiar, yo seguiré esperándote. Pues si algún día tú me quieres ver, te vuelvo a repetir.
They are showing out this album. I said it over and over. I really do think this group is going to the perfect direction. You can see the improvement that happened within 5 years ago in 2015 when they first started. I would remember my first reaction video. I was like, eh. But they put me together with this album, so I'm just really happy with the musical and creative direction they go in this album. I would say budget. They had the budget, and I'm happy for it. So
Aunque también estés muriendo, tú no me perdonarás. Aunque sentí haya llegado al límite de la desolación. Mi cuerpo, mi mente y mi alma ya no tienen conexión. Yo sigo muriéndome. Lo dejaría todo porque te quedaras. Creo mi pasado, mi religión. Después de todo.
oh, I need some Hennessy and apple juice and some ice for this. Oh, I mean apple juice. Joel and his favorite angle. Favorite angle. So that was CNCO new music video to the song Dejaria Tudo. I really do like it. Like I said, I got my CD. Hopefully you got yours. I really do like it. I can't wait to open it and listen to the whole thing. Yay. I'm so excited, so excited. I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to them in the first place. I really do enjoy this group. If I didn't, I would have gotten their CD. And that's rare because the only person who I have CD is Beyonce, Rihanna, Chris Brown, Sierra, Destiny Child, and now them. And some K-pop artists, of course, but now them. So this is very good because I don't really fuss too much by anyone's CD, but they doing such a good job for this album. Next album, I need them to outbeat this one. This is a very good album. But as always, I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!